This will be the elevator here at the company in Sarnia, Ontario. Whoa, what a mess of this panel. Got an impulse, huh? Goofy piano. One. Door close button is up there. See? You see the bumper. Yes, look at that. That's a Dover track in Canada. And I'm in the next one. I don't think I've ever seen this messed up panel before. Oop. Huh. No phone. Need yourself a nice elevator cam. Door controls up there. More door controls. It's a funny panel. Figure, hey, why are these doors open? That's a good one. It's a pretty interesting elevator, to be honest. There goes the elevator. Yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.